to you. I like you. You know what you're not? You're not pretentious, is what you're not. You don't pretend. I like that. It's a shame you're leaving, really.
I'm not the one who wants to go.
Just ask her to stay.
There's no point.
She'll never stay now.
Constantine's very insistent on it. I don't understand. I mean, isn't there lots of room for lots of different types of art? Old forms and new forms? Why have they got to fight each other?
He's jealous of you. Anyway, good luck. I hope your life is full of all the best things that life can be full of. Remember me? Send me your books and sign them for me. But don't just write for MASHA Best Boris. Write for MASHA, who has no idea where she came from and no idea what she's doing on this earth. Bye.